as an Africa, most especially Nigeria working online, the mode of receiving payments from international clients or international company is very challenging. So, and most of these companies usually want to pay with PayPal or Pioneer, all of those things. But then PayPal is not allowed in Nigeria, right? But in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a fully verified PayPal account here in Nigeria or anywhere in the Africa, like where PayPal is totally banned or not allowed to receive fund. So in today's video, I will walk you through how to set it up, how to verify it, and how to get what you need to do and what you need to put in place on your account, what you need to do, what you don't need to do, how to stay glued to your accounts. And I'm going to show you, like, I've been using this PayPal for a long period of time and I have a lot of experience receiving money with PayPal, right? So if that being said, guys, let me jump on my screen and I walk you through every of the steps that you need to create your own verified PayPal account to receive your earnings and to receive international payments from any country worldwide, right? Let's go. Okay, guys, right here on my screen, what we want to do first is to log into a Gmail account we've never used on PayPal. I mean, the PayPal you can easily create a new Gmail account for this process. So I just set up a new Gmail account on my phone, and right here I'm just going to log in. So I'm going to type YouTube PayPal class. Yes, that's what I use. Okay, so I'm going to log in. All right, so here we go. It's going to log me in instantly. So I'm in. Now, this is where we get the process started. And there are some things we need to set up first before we get on PayPal, right? The very first thing is to add our Ghostry right here. So I'm going to type add our Ghostry to Chrome. You can see it's right here. So, and I'm going to click on the first link here. So what this Ghostry does is basically it helps us block ad and some tracking when we want to sign up for PayPal. You know, PayPal is restricted in Nigeria or any Africa country that is not properly allowed. But we want to use a trick to open it and we are going to get that done. So right here, I'm just going to click add to Chrome and I'm going to add the extension. So in no time, it's going to load up. You can see it's downloading already and it's going to install. So right, let's wait for that in few seconds and we get to the next step, which is this is the first step and we still have like a couple of steps to go. So now it's still loading. I think it's installing already. So let's see. Okay, adding to Chrome, as you can see right there, it's done already. So we are waiting for it here. So it's here, boom, and you can see remove from Chrome. So all you need to do is just click on this and you click on enable. There is a pin and I've pinned it. Now you can see this is what the setup look like. Everything is enabled. And once that is done, all you need to do next is to come over to this menu button. Then you come over to your settings. You come over to your settings. I'm going to click got it right here. Then you come over to privacy and security. Then you come back. Yes, third-party cookies. You block all third-party cookies, right? So then you go back right here and you see security. Then you put okay, we are coming back here. We are coming back here. We are coming back here. Now, before we get to this security part, we need to add something to our browser, which is 1.1.1.1.1 VPN, right? So this will make our browser or our IP address untrackable. So they won't know we are signing up from Nigeria. So we are just going to click, I'm using Windows, so I'm just going to click window right here. As you can see, it's downloading already and it's running pretty fast. So now it's done and I'm just going to wait for it to show me the notification. Then I go over to my file folder and I get it installed, right? That's all you need to do. This method doesn't work on phone unless if you use any other paid VPN. That's what you can come up with. You can see now I'm going to install, and in no time it's going to ask for this prompt and definitely installed, right? So now we've set up our ghost tree, we've set up our 1.1.1.1. Now we need to add this 1.1.1 as our what is it called? Our safe browsing OS, right? So that's what we need to do right now. So I'm still waiting for this status or something to get done. So let's check it out. If it's here already, you can see it's here. So I'm just going to click that. You can see Cloudflare. So now we are good to go. We are good to go. So I'm just going to close all this tab and leave this. Now, straight to PayPal. We are going to go over to paypal.com/ZA. Make sure you use this a special link like this to sign up. You can see this is the difference, right? Let me open PayPal Nigeria for you, which is paypal.com/NG. Now, let me show you the difference right here. You can see PayPal Nigeria is personal only sent payments, right? And you can see the one that we want to use now, which is ZA, which is personal, even send payments and get paid. And business, it accepts payments, make payments, manage risk, and that's all we need to do, right? So now I'm going to close this tab for Nigeria, then we move over right here. So all you need to do right here is to click on this sign up button and you click on business, because we want to accept payments from marketplaces and personal individual, right? So I'm just going to click on continue right here, and then I'm going to open my Gmail account so I can literally get all I need there. So here you put in your first name, your last name, the email address, and the password you wish to continue with. So I have my own PayPal account, so I'm just going to use someone's random name to complete this process, right? I'm going to use all right. Once that is filled up, you just click agree and create accounts, and in no time they are going to send you a code to your mail. They email you code, so you are waiting for that code right here. So you can use that. You can see it's here already, which is this. So I'm just going to copy that and come back here to paste it up. Then I'm going to hit submit. So right here, you see you are all set, and what next to do is just to let's go and let's set up our account. So we are going to choose this individual seller. So right here, I'm going to choose individual. Then I'm going to click on next. So yeah, you are going to select your date of birth. You are going to select your date of birth. So for me, I'm going to choose 1985. If 7. Right. So at this nationality point, you make sure you choose Nigeria, right? Because any document they ask for, we are going to use Nigeria. So let me find Nigeria right here. And here we go. So you are going to switch this to +234. You get. So, all right, here we go. Now, you are going to use a phone number that you've never used on PayPal before, which is what you need to do. So I'm going to choose this. Oh, now 6 hours. All right. So your address. This is what you do. You come over to this website. You just type South Africa address generator. So you can see. So I'm just going to click the very first one, and you can see one right here. So I'm just going to copy this. And I paste it right here. So it's asking for city, which is this. Or you can just shovel this till you get to like maybe Eastern Cape or Cape Town. Okay, let's use this. Or any other one. You can use Cape Town, or just get the random one. Just make sure you have this address secure anywhere you want to keep it. So I'm just going to come over right here for the postal code, which is this. I'm going to copy it out and I'm going to paste it right here. So now I'm going to hit next. So after that, he said, business name, you can choose to be your name, but for this sake, I'm going to use YouTube Payments. So if I choose that, the business registration number, you can decide to leave it empty, or you can just decide it to add something randomly there. But then right here, I'm just going to type digital because that's where we belong to. Then no, and right here, I'm going to tick this and next. All right. So once this is done, you can see you can now accept payments and move money. So I'm going to go over to my home page. I'm going to go over to my home page. And as you can see this account, there is no restriction, no red flag, no any flag, no flag. You can see this account is properly set up. And now let me tell you some things like you need to do first. So once you get on your account now, right here, what you need to do is to click on this get recommendation. This is where you tell PayPal what type of things you want to use your accounts for. So for me, I'm going to click on select product and offer a service, right? So I'm going to click next. So I think that's the best thing to choose as well. So the next thing you are going to choose on site and with, you can barely choose the three because you don't know where your payments might want to come through. So what's payment option? So one time and most times recurring. So the two, select it. Then I can see invoicing as well. Then I'm going to click next, right? So once I click next, it's going to take me back to my dashboard. As you can see, my account is pretty fine and everything. It's asking me to like link a bank or card, and which is what we are going to use to verify. So I'm going to teach you how to get a bank to verify this account. And all you need to do is to come over right here. If you link it right here, it won't lift the limitation on this account because you have the limits. So let's check that out. So if I come over to my account settings right here, so right here on my account settings, you can see limits. So I'm going to view that. I'm going to view that limits, and you can see I have, this is my limit, and all you need to do is to click on lift limits right here. So once you click on lift limits, it's going to ask you for your US bank details, right? And this is how you get it. You come over to this website called GigPay. You come over to this website called GigPay. You sign up an account. Upon completing your account, they are going to give you a USD, GBP, Euro account. And there's another alternative that I do use, which is Gray. So if you come over to gray.co, it's still the same thing. You sign up, you complete all the process, and they are going to offer you a US bank account, which you can use to link and complete your PayPal accounts right here. More of it, if you are in Nigeria and you are very close to bank, I will advise you visit UBA Bank. Once you visit UBA Bank, okay, this is asking complete your profile. So I guess this is just like an error. If I refresh this page now, it's not going to show this again. It's not going to show this again. So right here, you can see it's not displaying that again. You are all set, right? So if you are close to bank, or you can visit any nearest UBA bank, just walk into the bank and ask them like you need a Naira prepaid card. So this will enable you to, if I go over to my money page right here, and once UBA offer you this prepaid card, it's free. So you are going to load it to like around 5,000 naira because of the current exchange rate in Nigeria. So you link the card to PayPal, and with that, once you receive money to your PayPal account, you can easily transfer it to your card and you spend your money almost immediately, right? So that's how you sign up for PayPal accounts in Nigeria and any other African country that PayPal is restricted. If you get best value from this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friend, and I will keep you updated about more ways you can use to make free money to your PayPal accounts Thereafter, yeah, if you want to learn how paper being work, like how you can turn paper into a business, I have my paper mastery 101 course in the description below. You will see it there. You can check out the course and you learn how to set up paper for people, how to get people to set up paper for, and you charge them any amount of your choice, how to walk through your PayPal account, how to manage it, how to pass your restriction, also how to use your money to buy crypto is all I dished out in that course. So it's just for a discount. You can just drop a comment if you need that, like PayPal Mastery 101. I can send you the link, or you should check the description of this video. You will see the link there. So with this, you are cool with PayPal, and also right here, your PayPal can receive money and pay people, right? Also, there's a link in my description which leads you to my WhatsApp community where I share updates, answer questions one-on-one with me. So you can join that community if you are not yet there. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the other one.